Hi everyone, it's Claire from the parties here. Quick little tip for you guys at home. When you pick up your balloons, if you want to make it shorter to stand on a table rather than floor height as it is here, I can show you how to make it shorter. So here's your weight. Just move the ribbon out of the way here. What you do, make a loop, push the weight through, and then that will slide up. You can do that as many times as you need to get to the desired length. Sometimes you only need to do it once or twice, but other times if you want to make it a lot shorter, you can do it as many times as you need. So now that's a better height for your table so that it doesn't hit the ceiling when it's sitting on the table. You still want to leave a nice gap between the bottom of the balloon and the weight. So when you're sitting at the table, you're not staring directly at the balloon. You want to see only a small amount of ribbon so that you can see your family and friends across the table. And this is just to decorate the table. And it's going to float above you, so it's not interfering with your interaction with everyone at the party. Hope that helps. One more time. Make a loop and push the weight through it, and that will just slide it up. Thanks. Have fun.